Hey, what is up guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we're going to show you how to make any old POS laptop game.
Let's get right into it, shall we?
But first, a message from our sponsors.
We gotta pay the bills.
Yep, gotta keep the lights on.
This video is brought to you by Wondershare and their all-in-one video converter software. If you're a content creator or just a media buff, you know the importance of being able to convert files on the fly with the wide range of codecs and file types available nowadays from a wide range of different recording methods. Wondershare has made this easier by creating a single application that can convert, download, and even create custom GIFs from a wide range of video files all with just a few clicks. This tool has been essential for me, and I've been actually using it for the past couple of weeks for an upcoming project on the channel that required me to use different recorders that recorded in different file types, and I need to be able to convert it all with a single application, and Wondershare has been a blessing for that. If you're a content creator, I highly suggest you try it out for free by using the links in the description down below. It will honestly make your workflow process much faster than you think. Thanks again to Wondershare for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get right back into that PC build, shall we?
Okay guys, so we have a very interesting video for you all today. We have been working together with Shadow, a cloud streaming service that allows you to play games and literally do anything within a Windows PC in a cloud environment for $29.95 a month. It's actually a great service, and I've been using it a lot on my laptop that's kind of underpowered for doing certain things like gaming, and it's pretty good. And we're going to showcase it in this video with a laptop that most definitely is not made for gaming, and we're going to be playing a game of Apex Legends with Jackson while he's on his main gaming PC and I'll be on this, and we're gonna see if we can get a win and talk about the actual experience playing on a laptop like this. Alright guys, so this is the Shadow interface, which I'll leave links in the description down below if you plan on purchasing this service, but it's very simple. All you have to do is download the application, launch up your cloud gaming platform, and you get access to what looks like a normal Windows desktop. You can go to your start menu, you can go to File Explorer. It's just your basic Windows PC. If you want to sit here and watch your favorite YouTubers, the Toasty Bros, on a cloud server, you can do that if you want to.
For only $30 a month.
For only $30 a month, you can watch the Toasty Bros on your PC while watching it on another PC, because like, why wouldn't you do that? Like, look at these guys. They know how to build PCs, you know? Yeah, that sort of thing. But anyways, all jokes aside, you can browse the web, do whatever you want within the environment right here of Shadow. In terms of the specs, if we go into Task Manager real quick, you are given a Xeon E5, as you can see right here, Jackson zoom in on that, E5 2675 V3 processor, which is a 4-core, 8-threaded processor that will allow you to basically get really good gaming performance, and also a Quadro P5000 graphics card, and you get access to that to play games on this. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and load up Apex Legends. As you can tell, we have it installed right here. I'll click this little button. And then once Apex Legends loads up, we'll get Jackson on Apex Legends on his PC over there, which Zach has hijacked currently. And we're gonna play some games and hopefully get a victory. All right guys, so as you can tell, we have Apex Legends loaded up. I am playing on the Shadow server right now, and Jackson is currently over there.
Let me zoom in on my face too.
There he is, dude. He is playing on his PC.
This is real time versus shadow time.
Shadow time, dude.
What's gonna happen?
And as you can tell right here, you're not having a major performance hit. Right now I'm playing in window mode, so you can tell the difference and actually see that I am playing on the Shadow thing.
He took my character!
This man over here just took his character. So moving around, you can tell that there is definitely some input lag, and especially when you're trying to ping every enemy everywhere.
So what's pretty cool though is Matt's actually over here playing on like high settings, because he's basically playing on like a 1080 and a, what is it, a 4-core 8-thread?
i7, yeah.
Yes.
How's it going for you over there, Jackson? Having a good time?
Yeah, so I'm actually playing on, I have a 1060, which is kind of holding the system back a little bit, but then a Ryzen 2600. And you know, it runs pretty smooth, but I'm actually playing on like some sort of low settings, like medium low settings. So, you know, it is pretty crazy that Matt's actually outplaying me on that laptop that really can't even play. Okay.
And our teammate just died. So
all right, time to get some action. Let's see if Matt can hit anything.
I'm gonna have to wait till they get close. So let me know.
There's one right there, Matt. Oh, there's one coming up here, I think. Unless that was you.
Oh my God. Running around, dude. That was not me.
God,
I don't know where that guy went.
Dude.
I hit him once. I see him. Oh God, I'm getting right. Okay.
There's one behind me, Matt. Help!
I'm right. Ah, no, get me. Oh, okay. Okay. well, let's try that again.
You know, I saw the guy pinged over there, but I'm going to a completely different spot.
Yeah, that's how you work with your team, dude.
That's what happens when you take my chick.
Let me run in, and we all just land in the same building. Quality, that's what we do best. I'm gonna drop down here and see if I can get anything. Probably get shot before I do, but hey. Wait, where's our teammate?
Well, our teammate's right, or the guy's right there. He just tried to thirst his, or tried to get his teammates. Why is he running? He has purple armor, and this guy's, oh my god, he's gonna whiff it, dude.
Oh, there he goes.
Wow.
GG's.
Wow.
So after testing Apex Legends, it wasn't the best experience. Honestly, the input lag and just trying to use, well, this service for a multiplayer game does incorporate a lot of issues, being able to actually respond fast enough, have a response time to be able to do what you need to do. So what I'm doing right now is actually installing Steam real quick so we can install a game called The Forest, which is a game that Jackson, I, and Zach have also been playing recently, and it's a good single-player game that really doesn't require the most fast response time needed. It's not a first-person shooter. It would actually be a good way to show the capability of this service in a game that really doesn't need the fast Twitch response time that you might need in something like Apex Legends, Fortnite, or let's say PUBG. All right, guys, so now we are playing The Forest. This is probably a better use case scenario for the Shadow service. As you can tell, input lag is not as important in this. You don't have like gunshots you have to pull off and everything. Exactly. It's performing flawlessly. Yeah, I am looking over at Jackson's system right now. It doesn't look nearly as sharp because it's literally a video signal being streamed to you. But in terms of performance, you cannot complain at all. It's actually pretty good.
Dude, I'm gonna kill you if you don't stop.
Let me just see you try, dude.
What are you all doing?
He's gonna kill me, man, help!
He's becoming a mass murderer now?
Matt, come help me up.
I'm like a mile away. I just went running off.
Why? Were you scared of Zach?
I am scared of Zach.
Zach, help me up, bro. Come on.
All right, guys, so as you can tell, the Shadow streaming service was able to take this laptop, which is around $150 if you look on the used market. It's a somewhat capable gaming system using the Shadow service. Is the service perfect? No, but is it good for things like single player and maybe even if you want to dive into some video editing, maybe some Photoshop work? You have a high-end desktop that you can remote into, do some work on it, and well, be happy with it. So for $29.95, it's a decent value, and if it's something you want to try on a laptop or add to your existing laptop that you already have, check the links in the description down below if you haven't done so already.
So we hope you guys enjoy this video as always, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you all in the next one. Zach, you're fired again.
You're fired again. Because we rehired you, now we gotta fire you.